as we speak. The Chinese, the Americans, the Europeans, the Arabs, and everyone else in between is heavily investing in Africa. The only people that are not really concerned about owning a chunk of the continent are Africans and Afro descendants. So on this platform, we'll bring you some of the opportunities that you may not know exist on the continent and how to better capitalize on them while you still can. Hey guys, welcome back to Motherland Investors, where we bring you all things investing in Africa. Our mission on this channel is to be able to educate Afro descendants and Africans on the diaspora about all the amazing and unique opportunities that are found on the continent. Doing business in Africa comes with a unique set of challenges that is not found in any other part of the world. And the only way to succeed in doing business on the continent is to find the solutions to these problems before they arise. On this channel, we'll hold your hands and help you navigate these issues even before you can think of them. Investing in Africa is a whole new ball game. The realities on ground are so much different from other parts of the world. You can't implement the same playbook that is used in the West, in Asia, or even in the Middle East to Africa. Not only because the population is so diverse, but because the market in itself is unique to every country. Every one of the 54 countries on the continent has a unique market parameters that you cannot ignore. What works in Nigeria might not work in Ghana or in South Africa or in Senegal. You have to use specific parameters to be able to find out what exactly works for each and every market on the continent. That's where we come in. We have analysis and data as well as experience in these markets for over a decade, and we can hold your hand every step of the way. Subscribe to stay updated.